Alright, we are down at the church down by my house, and gonna see if we can't catch a couple fish on my lunch break today. Got a storm front moving in. It's supposed to be pretty nasty storms later. Oh no. Huh. Well, that's a short video today. Only brought one bait, and yeah, so that's that. Lesson learned, bring more baits. Well, we are back at the church fishing again today. I have got my chatterbait back on. Had some major storms move through last night, and water is really dirty. So I'll come down here and practice a little bit with get out of the house, take a little lunch break, and practice with this jackhammer a little bit. I did bring a backup rod in case I do break off on this one, which I didn't do yesterday, and it cost me. So I would have liked to have done something yesterday, but broke off on my third cast when I set the hook on one. There's one. There's one. There's a big old fatty. Got the jackhammer pretty good. We'll go take her back and get her in the water. There she goes. And there she be. Well, at least caught one today. Hopefully, I'll be able to go out tomorrow and get on some.